Why should spirituality be a punishment? Why should somebody suffer to be spiritual? So that is why I created Anahata. The greatest joy that I get is when I see the participants walk into a retreat center wherever we are hosting the retreat. Sometimes we invite the world's best teachers to our retreat to enhance the experience, to enhance the learning. I teach Kundalini Yoga. People who are coming to seek, people who are coming to learn, people who are learning to grow, a comprehensive experience.
Experience has been amazing till now. Bijay J के साथ Kundalini Yoga किया, जिससे the entire body has been moved with the emotional turmoil from inside. Best thing about the retreat was the morning walk with the nature. जहाँ पे हम बारिश में भीगे, we went by the river, we walked along with the nature morning 6 a.m. We experienced the trees, the fresh air, the rain. So it was surreal. It was beautiful.
Definitely more than yoga. It's about re-energizing yourself, and you won't even realize the sort of energies you'll release.
There was something in my mind that, needed a shift, and it really helped me. It brought me a lot of peace, that class.
Your relationship that you have, that you share with nature, defines you. If you don't have a relationship with nature, nobody can help. Live unhappy, you will die unhappy, and guess what? You're going to be reborn again unhappy. Fly. Look elegant, look beautiful. You are beautiful. Your soul is beautiful. Just fly. Look at yourself being kind. Enjoy themselves, be comfortable, and yet, most importantly, grow spiritually. To become better people, better human beings, healthier human beings, happier human beings. That's why we created Anahata, and that's what we've been doing for the last 15 years. That's what Anahata is all about. It's about creating a community. It's about creating a space where people grow, where they see the light, where they understand what the meaning of the light is, and eventually they become the light.